We all know how great Shane McMahon is at wrestling, but have you seen him as a referee? If you haven't, you will now. So let's do it, shall we? Hey you guys, I'm your host ATA aka Anand. This might be a weird figure for some, but this was actually a 4-pack Blue Venom figure from Spider-Man figure set, which I turned into a custom-made Royal Rumble 2022 Shane O'Mac figure. And now we'll use a black insulation tab to turn him into a referee. Cut it into a small stripes using a scissor, which I already have to save your and my time to making this video, and apply them on his t-shirt with the right length. I've increased the speed so you can understand the method quickly. With this method, you can turn any figure into a referee. You just need few black tapes on the white shirt. Luckily, Shane wears white t-shirt often, so it was easy for me. But if your figure doesn't have a white t-shirt, you can use a white paper tab on this figure to make him or her look like he's wearing a t-shirt, especially the referee. Then apply the black stripes to make him seem like an official of WWE. And that's it. It was so simple, right? Now let's compare him when he was just a normal wrestler and then after he promoted as a referee. Both looks easy to make, right? Especially him as a WWE ref. Why did he have to do just black and switch tap over him? How would his father Winnie Mac respond to this decision? Well, it's clear that he is very proud of his son. Okay, that was a cute custom. So until next time, thank you for spending a while of your time for my channel. Peace.
Flexing his corporate power for the stunner, nearly ran into Shane. There's the cover. Oh, come on. This is ridiculous.